welcome to Liz at Home. Thanks for joining me today. I'm super excited because I got some happy mail, and it's the first time I've had happy mail in weeks and weeks and weeks and months. Actually, I think in about 3 months. So I'm super excited. I'm going to open this with you. It's something I ordered. I've already sprayed the box with alcohol sanitizer, and I'm just going to open it, and then I have my sanitizer here to spray again, just in case. No, wait. There we go. So let's open. I know what this is, and I'll tell you about it when I've opened it. It's something probably a lot of you have got already. If you enjoy painting, that is. Whoopsie. Struggling to open. Not a patient girl. There we are. Lots of bubble wrap. What's inside? Oh, look at that. So excited. It is some watercolors. It's a palette by Art Philosophy, Prima Art Philosophy watercolor confections, and this is the Woodlands. So isn't that pretty? Now off we go. Spray, spray. I'm sure it's not necessary, but I'm just so careful of everything at the moment. And my hands. Spray, spray. Let's be safe, let's be careful. So I've got one of these sets. I've got the vintage pastels, but I want quite a few of them. I really like them when I've seen them on other people's paintings and YouTube channels, and I keep browsing, and everything is so expensive and unavailable and difficult to get in South Africa. And then at Stencil Art in South Africa, I saw just the Woodlands, just this one, available at 546 Rand, which was an incredible price because they're 800 Rand at Doodle's Cafe. So for us South Africans, that's a big amount of money. In American terms, the 546 Rand, well, it worked out, I can't remember what that is, but it worked out at a $20 American dollar difference in price. So I snapped this up, and now they're out of stock of them. So this comes in this lovely palette, which I like, and then all of these beautiful ones, and a swatch chart, which I'll do later. And don't they look so pretty? All the half pans, they look like little bars of chocolate. So now I'm going to open these off screen, and then I'll come back and swatch them with you. So here I am back again, and I've opened them all, and I just want to show you, because when I first got one of these little palettes, as you all know, I'm fairly new to watercolor and everything, and I didn't kind of know how they worked. This is where you can mix colors in, but they come, this little inside of these palettes, actually the whole thing comes out, and you can open these little metal things just by pulling them apart a bit, and you can take the half pan out, and then you can like replace it with a different color if you don't like that, or say your half pan's empty and you want to refill it or something like that, and then you just pull this down. I did see one YouTube video where a lady said that you could get these to click. I must admit, I've never had mine click into the pan, so if somebody knows a trick or something about that, please let me know. But that's kind of where I'm at. So now I'm going to swatch them. It comes with the swatch card, and the other thing I wanted to show you is that, which is really nice, each little half pan has a number on it as well. So say you're traveling or something and you have a minor disaster and everything falls out and now you don't know what color, and I like to know from a swatch card. On this little swatch card, which I'll do later, there are numbers as well. And I vaguely remember seeing on a website or something that you can buy single half pans from Prima Marketing. So if you live in the States or perhaps the UK or Europe, it's easier to get things like this, then I think you'd be able to get that. Here in South Africa, we really do struggle to get a lot of our art supplies. There is Doodles Cafe that does sell them, but they're 800 Rand before shipping. And to me, that's quite a lot of money. You get a lot of colors for that, but still. So now I'm not naming these. I'm just going to swatch and have some fun. See, now it shouldn't actually jiggle about like that. There we go. Let's just see here. Oh, it's a lovely color. And let me move my towel a bit closer. I sprayed the pan, each pan with some water first. So that was Sand Ridge. Now we have Shadow. It's a lovely sort of charcoal color. I think this brush might be too big for these pans. And this one moves quite nicely. I'm going to use a smaller brush. And now we have Cavern. So they seem to wet quite nicely. Beautiful creamy color there. Then Foxberry. Want to have my hand all over the screen. So maybe I must put my water out of the way here. That's lovely. Oh, these are lovely sort of muted colors. Pond. Something about turquoises that I just adore. Oops. Then Stream. Oops. I didn't get that down enough. Getting myself sidetracked, so I don't know what I'm doing. Stream. Beautiful. So they've got beautiful, vibrant colors and quite opaque when you put them down first, but they water down very nicely. This one is called Bear, and it's a nice brown grizzly color. Oh, and it looks like it's lovely. Then Mist. I'm really not working the pan much at all, and the color's coming off. Oh, isn't that a lovely color? Mist. Then Greystone. It's a lovely grey. I don't have many grays. I just use usually Payne's grey, so it's nice to have this, which isn't quite as blue. Then Daylight, which also looks sort of muted. It's kind of it's got like a green overtone to it, almost like a chartreuse. and then redwood. That moves beautifully. This bare color is lovely. It looks like a nice granulating color. And then the last one is deep moss. Also looks as if it could be a granulating color. If I play with it a bit more, I will find out. So I think those are really beautiful colors, and I'm so excited with my new toy. So there we are, and I hope you've enjoyed sharing my lovely bit of happiness today. Say goodbye to my pretty woodland paints, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, stay safe and sanitize. Bye-bye.